Let's make apple art. Bring a background and adjust it. Bring in main object and adjust it. Take new layer and start brushing to make shadow effect. Take new layer again and clip with dot apple and start brushing. Make copy of apple and apply to saturate. Effect from image adjustment. Apply level from image adjustment and adjust its values. Apply mask on apple and remove dot leaf part with brush. Now select red apple and apply mask on it and remove half apple with brush. Now select glass apple and on mask. Remove other half apple with brush. Bring apple crust in PNG and adjust it. Take new layer and clip with red apple and start brushing and apply blend mood to overlay. Bring image of water, then select apple crust and dot make mask on water layer. Now select red apple and on water mask layer dot start brushing with black color. Now select apple crust and on water mask layer dot start brushing with low opacity. Apply hue saturation and adjust its dot values and clip with water. Bring a fish in PNG, then make a copy of dotted and put behind water layer. Change blend mood of first fish to darken. Thank you for watching.